Don't be shy, partner. No such thing as a stranger here.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you look like you need to take a load off.
Well, ain't this a rare treat? Why didn't you tell me we had guests coming? I'd have fixed myself up nice.
Oh, now you know you look perfect, princess.
I ain't no guest, miss. I'm just passing through.
Oh, nonsense. Well, come on in. Rest a while. And we got food on the stove and a bottle of the good stuff we've been saving.
It's decided then. I'm gonna go freshen up.
I appreciate the offer, but I best be on my way.
Oh, come on now. How you gonna turn down a hot meal and good company? I'll go open that bottle. Hey, there he is. Come on in. Come on. I hope she ain't primping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you?
Me?
Well, sure. Hey, get to know the place. Make yourself at home. Oh, hey!
Hey!
Wait, this just about perfect. One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Now look at us, like a couple of old friends. Ah, it's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixins'. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
It's good. Different. That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids. Before we lost our ma and pa. Horrible business.
Horrible.
But we still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have a hog-killing time.
Here, that's for you.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come on, honey.
I appreciate the hospitality, folks, but I best be on my way.
No, already? I thought we was gonna have some fun together. Oh.
I'm sure you two can have more than enough fun without me.
See, Princess? I told you he'd be back. Come on, pull up a chair, partner. Well, we still can enjoy ourselves, Princess.
Ah, what the hell?
Oh, about time. Take whatever cat she has on her and put it behind Mama.
Down, boy.
kill you, you... Whoa, easy. Whoa, easy, partner. Come on, fool. I'm gonna get it for you, Oops, today. Let's finish this. You tough, huh? I will hack your corpse! Get up, fud. Goddamn son of a bitch! She was everything I made! You're going down now. Who's talking now, huh? Shit!